In this lesson, we will discuss how to observe what class an IP address is assigned to and better understand subnet default mask concepts. IPv4 addresses can hold over 4 billion separate IP addresses. IPv4 addresses are divided into 5 classes. Each class has a range of IP addresses that can be assigned. Class A network can have an IP address range of 1000 to 126.255.255.255. Class A networks have a total of 127 networks, which allows for 16,777,214 total hosts. A Class B network has a range of 128.000 to 191.255.255.255, supporting 16,384 networks, each with a total of 65,534 separate hosts. A Class C network has a range of 192.000 to 223.255.255.255, with 2,097,152 networks and 254 hosts in each of the 2 million networks. A Class D network is used for multicasting, which we'll discuss later when we talk about routing protocols, and a Class E network used for research and future use. Beside the IP address, you need a default mask to allow routing to take place. Each class of addresses are associated with a default subnet mask, as shown in this table. An address using its default mask defines a single IP broadcast domain. All hosts using the same network number and mask can receive each other's broadcast and communicate using IP. A subnet mask must be contiguous strings of ones followed by a contiguous string of zeros to represent the entire 32 bits. When IPv4 was first introduced, nobody really imagined the extent of growth and demand for the IP address space. As time went on, it became evident something needed to be done to extend the life of IPv4. Two things they introduced were RFC 1918 and CIDR notation to allow subnetting of the network mask. RFC 1918 set aside certain IP address groups to extend the use of IPv4. Computers that use these IP addresses can communicate via a LAN network, but cannot be transmitted through the public internet. So if a private network needs to be connected to the internet, it must use a network address translator, or NAT gateway, or a proxy server. Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to consider using our Cisco Adapt Prep software suite with Pass Guarantee. If you are currently preparing to take a Cisco certification exam or are simply looking to brush up on existing Cisco networking skills, then you have come to the right place. It's no secret that there are many different online solutions in the market today, but let us explain why we feel Cisco Adapt Prep is unique. Unlike other solutions, we go to great lengths to first understand your knowledge level. Traditional competitors tend to treat each learner as if they are all the same. Consider for a moment, you are someone who has been preparing for an exam for the last 3 months. Challenging you with trivial questions will waste your time. On the other hand, if you are brand new to a subject matter, challenging you with advanced questions will be confusing and will prevent you from learning effectively. With Adapt Prep, we first analyze your skill set on a personal level. This allows us to provide you with questions that will challenge you appropriately, allowing you to learn efficiently. At Adapt Prep, we take great pride in building your test-taking confidence. Many solutions offer comprehensive testing content. However, most lack the ability to understand when you are ready to take your exam and successfully pass. Understanding this principle is something Adapt Prep excels at. It does so by utilizing an earn level concept. The earn level concept is simple. When you start using Adapt Prep, your earn level will be 0. As you progress, it will continuously advance. Once your earn level reaches 7, you are ready to take your exam and pass. We are so confident you will pass your exam once your earn level reaches 7, we guarantee it. Again, we would like to thank you for your interest in our Adapt Prep software. We look forward to working with you in the future.